Okay, first fight. All players stop in. Sa lahat na may suot ng higaw, singsing, corseras, hintas. Pakitanggal po ang lahat ng yan, pati po yung bowler. Pakitanggal din po yan. Bawal po yan sa loob ng laro. FCN Team versus Binondo Team. First fight. Jump ball. FCN Team ball. Number 05. Pass to number 03. Nakuha ng Binondo Team ang bola ni number 11. Now, still, number 17, Algo ng FCN Team. Algo. Jump shot for 2 points. Galing. Pinaba ng bola ni number 24. Pass to number 20. Still, nawala number 44 ang bola. Angeles. Tinira, no good. Number 05, back to number 44, jump shot for 2 points. Number 31. Pinaba ng bola. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Sumalagsak. Black. Nakuha ni number 44. Pass to number 02. Algo for 2 points. Number 20. Pass to number 29. Quick cut. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 44 ang bola ng FCM Team. Angeles. Tinira na for 2 points. Number 29, pass break to number 11. Number 11. Gahanap ng papasahan. Nakatabi number 24. Jump shot. No good. Number 11, pass to number 05, outside. Binondo Team ball. Inbound number 24. Number 21. Pass to number 11. Jump shot for 3 points. By number 11. Number 11 ng SCM Team, Ortega. Binaba ng bola. Pinasa ka number 30, Aldo. 10-0. Oh. Outside. Binondo Team ball. Number 29, Bahio. Pass to number 20. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 44, inbound. Pass to number 02. Pass to number 05. Mercolita. Jump shot. No good. Number 44, Angeles. Jump shot. No good. Nawala ni number 11 ng Binondo Team ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 24. Pass to number 29. 8 seconds. Violation. Number 30, Algo. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 05. Jump shot. No good. Ball number 44 ng FCM Team ang bola. Angeles. Jump shot. No good. Still by number 45. Number 11. Very good. Number 31 of Binondo team. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 11. Jump shot. No good. Awalin yung mahilog, number 29. Pass to number 11. Big shot. Ilaya. No good. Awalin number 13. Pass to number 44, Angeles. Jump shot. No good. Outside, Binondo team ball. Number 20. Diretso na. Same ball. Big shot. Jump shot for 2 points. The number 31. Algo. Dribble ball. Jump shot. No good. Follow up. No good. Rebound by number 24. Young Binondo team. Pass to number 11. Big shot. Binigay niya number 29. Mahilot. No good. Pass break to number 44 and number 11. Jump shot for 2 points. Right. Number 20 ng Binondo team. Piyasa ka number 29. Nahilong. Still by number 11. Pass to number 05. Binigay ka number 02. Nilay up for 2 points. Number 31. Dribble the ball. Steal by number 13, pass to number 44. Pass to number 32, Alvaro. No good. Only number 24 ng Binondo team, pass to number 11. Number 11, dribble the ball. Jump shot. For 3 points. Number 05, Margarita, binaba ang bola. Pass to number outside. Single. Rebound. Number 13. Algo. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 11. Caballero. No good. Number 11 ng SDM team. Pass to number 14. Pinira. Foul. Count there. 2 foul left. Number 31 or 21? 31. 31? Hello. First personal foul. First team foul. Timeout. Sino? Binondo team. Number 31. Oh, foul. Number 05, Mercolita. First personal foul. Huh? First team foul. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Only number 31. You know that? No good. Number 31 again. No good. Number 20. Ah, walang foul. Who's foul? Number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. 1 point. That's one shot to control. No good. Number 05, Mercolita, jump shot for 2 points. The number 05. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. Score 11-18 in favor of STM team. Number 41, television. Steal, pero nakuha ni number 11 ng Binondo team. Pass to number 20, jump shot, no good. Outside, SCM team ball. Pass break, number 05, Mercolita. Number 13, jump shot, no good. Last 53 seconds. Number 11. Steal. Only number 44. Pass to number 05. Mercolita. Pass to number 44. Tinira for 2 points. Number 21. Last 35 seconds. Pass to number 11. Jump shot. No good. 30 seconds. No good. Just 20 seconds. Number 21. 50 seconds. 4-3 by number 11. 10 seconds. Number 44, Angeles jump shot for 2 points. 7 seconds. Still. Number 11 for 2 points. 1. The score 14-26 in favor of SCM team. Rebound number 20. Pass to number 41. Pinasa ka number 29, Mahilog. Steal. Away number 02 ang bola. Pass to number 10. Back to number 02. Alvo for 2 points. Number 02. Number 11, ginawa ng bola, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 03, pass to number 44. Angeles. No good. Ang tirang spot. Number 21, Iglesia. No good. Ang tirang spot. Number 29, Mahilong. Pass to number 11. Number 11, Caballero. Piling number 31. Number 31. Yan, naabutan pa rin number 11. 6 to shoot. Outside. Remaining shot clock, last 2 minutes to shoot. Jump shot. 4-2. 3. Rep, press na yan, rep. Press daw, press. Number 29, Mahilong jump shot. No good. Angeles. Still pero outside. SCM. Free ball. Number 21, Iglesias. Pass to number 06. Jump shot. No good. Pinonda football, number 31. Tinaman ang bola, pinasa ka number 20. Jump shot. No good. Again, number 20 for 2 points. Fernandez, number 06. Drink the one. Pass to number 13. Number 44. Same ball. Inbound, number 44. Pass to number 21. Pinira. No good. Walang pinonda team ang bola, number 41. Number 31, pinabahan ang bola. Pass to number 11. Number 11, turn to shot. Jump shot. 4. Ano ba? For 3 points. Number 06. Wala ba? Number 29, pass to number 11. No good. Number 06, pass break to number 02. Jump shot, no good. Ako ni number 21 ang bola, Iglesia. 43 points. Timeout, Binondo Tier. Pass break to number 11. Yang Binondo Tier. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 31. Back to number 11. Back to number 29. Back to number 11. Turn to shoot. Number 20. Jump shot. No good. Awa pa rin number 20 ang bola. Pinila. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 44. Angeles. First personal foul. First team foul. No good. That's one shot to Tazwell. No good again. Rebound by number 02, pass to number 21. Number 21, beginning number 44, jump shot. No good. Number 44 again. No good. Number 43, no good. Scatter now. Who's the red?
24.
Number 4. Huh? First personal foul. First team foul.
24 yun, foul.
24, okay. Jump shot, no good. For 2 points, by number 06. Number 24, binaba ng bola. Number 24, dito na po. Pass to number 29, Mahilong. Pass to number 11, jump shot. No good. Number 06, pass break to number 21 for 2 points. Number 31, pass to number, still by number 21. Number 21, pass to number 32, all good for 2 points. Inbound, number 3, still by number 32, Aldo. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 20 ng Binondo team ng bola. Number 29, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Awarding number 03 ng SCM team. Pass to number 44, number 44. Pass break to number 21. Binigyan number 36, jump shot for 2 points. Subdown. Dead ball. Number 11, Caballo. Pass to number 31. Outside. Substitution. Yeah. Number 44, Angeles. Pass to number 06. Still by number 29, Mahilong. Mahilong, dribble the ball. Pass to outside. SCM team ball. Number 05, Mercolita. Pass to number, back to number 05, jump shot. No good. Number 44, for 2 points by Angeles. Number 24, Aguilera, no good. Rebound by number 03, pass to number 21, pass break to number 44, Angeles. For 2 points. Inbound number 29. Pass to number 31. Number 31 still by number 05 ng SCM team. Number 05 pass to number 44 follow up for 2 points. Number 24 pass break to number 31. Number 31, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 05. Pass to number 06. Binigay number 21 ang bola. Number 44. Angeles, no good. Nakuha pa rin. Number 06, pass to number 33. Outside, and on the team ball. Number 29, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Number 20, for 2 points. Number 05, Mercolita. Still with number 29. Number 29 plus the number 20. Outside SEM team ball. Still with number 24, nahuli number 20, pinasay number 24. Pass to number 21, ang Binoldo team. Pass to number 20. Bigyan number 11, take shot. Layup for 2 points. Inbound number 05, pass to number 06. Pass to number 03, bigyan number 21, pass to number 44. Jump shot for 2 points. Last 33 seconds.
Ayun yun, dalawa yun yung susunod.
Number 24, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot, no good. Number 21, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Number 44, no good. Back to the referee. Inbound, number 03, pass number 13, pass number 05. Jump shot for 3 points. Number 29, Mahilo. Nababa ng bola. Pass number 11. Oh, no good. Number 11 pa rin ang nakakuha ng bola. Kaya sa number 22, Powell. Number 11. Number 11. personal foul, first team foul. Inbound. Ay, foul ba? Number 30, Aldo, for 2 points. Steal Reynolds. Nakuha pa rin ang pinagdating. Foul. Ito pala eh. Number 29, Mahilong. Oh. Who's out? Number 05. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Number 29, Mahilong. Pass to number 11. Oh. Malinaw ang mata ng referee natin. Meron yung 365,000 megapixel. Number 30, pass to number 11. Nakakuha ng foul kay number 29, Mahilo. First personal foul, first team foul. Two shots to Boston. No good. Just one shot. No good again. Rebound by number 11. Oh. Outside. STL team ball. Inbound number 11. Pass number 03. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 24. Pinondon hit. Number 24 with the balang bola. Pass to number 11, still the number 05. Pass to number 02. Nakuha ni number 24 ang bola ng Binondo Kia. Number 24 with the balang bola. Pass to number 20 in the map for 2 points by number 20. Number 11, pass to number 05. Aldo, power up for 2 points by number 17. Number 11, in the bottom ball. Pass to number 41. Jump shot, no good. Only number 11, passing to number 03, bringing number 02, Aldo, no good. Number 02, Marcus Norris, Aldo for 2 points. Number 24 and below the team, going down. Pass to number 20. Oh, SCM, you ball. Last 6 minutes. Score 15-13 in favor of SCM team. Number 44, Angeles. No good. Wala pa rin yung number 13 ng SCM team. Pass to number 44, Angeles for 2 points. Pass break to number 11. Jump shot for 3 points. Number 11, pass to number 03. Number 03, pass to number 05, Mercolita. 43 points. Inbound number 20, pass to number 31. Number 31, pass to number 29, pinigay number 11. Jump shot! No good. Number 11, steal by number 24 na Binondo Kia. Number 24. Diretso lang. Nakahulog ka. Kay number 14. Number 13. For personal foul. Warning to penalty. Warning pa lang po mga kapito. Good. That's one check to Basel. No good. Number 11, pass break to number 05. There's the recovery again number 44. Jill shot for 2 points. By number 44, Angeles. Number 24, Pilipana Bola. Number 24, pass to number 11, turn to shot. Outside, STL team ball. Pass break. Okay, number 05, pass to number 44. Bringing number 03, jump shot for 2 points. Number 11. Dua lang bola. Jump shot for 3 points. By number 11. Number 44, Angeles, jump shot. No good. Only number 24 ng Binondo team ang bola. Number 29, pass break to number 31, binigay kay number 20 for 2 points. Inbound number 11, pass to number 05, Mercolita, binigay kay number 13. Oh. Number 24. Second. Personal foul. Second team foul. Number 14. Inama. For 2 points. Number 29. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 20. Bigyan number 31, Celsius, no good. Again, for 2 points. Number 44, Angeles, over the ball. Jump shot, no good. Still, pero nakuha naman number 29 ng Binondo team. Number 29, Mahilong, jump shot. No good. Number 14, ay pasang number 31. Still naman, number 11. Pass to number 12, pero outside. Binondo, team point. Number 20, pass to number, still by number 03, pass to number 44. Angeles for 2 points. Number 11, pass to number 29, back to number 11 for 2 points. Number 11, pass to number 05, Mercolita. Sinira, no good. Carrying to number 24, pass to number 31. Castillo, number 11, pass to number 44, Alvarez. No. Still naman, number 05, pass to number 03, jump shot for 2 points. Last 37 seconds. Very good. Last 32 seconds. Number 13. Pass to number 05. 20 seconds. Time to shoot. Troubling violation. Last 18 seconds. Seconds. Little bit. 3, 2. The end of the third quarter.
Akala ko, Miss, nakalimutan niya ng picture. Mga bata? Mga bata?
Number 29. No good. Jump shot. They're good. Number 03 again for 2 points. Number 31, pass to number 29. Mahilo, back to number 31. Number 11, jump shot, no good. Number 21, Iglesia. Pass to number 03, going number 13. Back to number 31, number 2 Aldo for 2 points. Inbound number 20. No good. Tirang back. Number 76. Fernandez, pass to number 13. Number 13, jump shot for 2 points. Number 24. Binabahan ang bola. Steal to number 17, Aldo, for 2 points. Number 11, oh, no good. Number 06, Fernandez, pass to number 21. No good. Number 21, pass to number 17 for 2 points. Number 20, bahan ang bola. Pass to number 31, bigay number 11, jump shot. for 3. Number 31, pass to number 33, pass to number 32, that's number 30 for 2 points. Number 11, dribble the ball. Still by number 14 ng SCM team. Mira, no good. Oh! Foul! Number 13.
Warning.
Number 13, warning to foul out. First team foul. Pass to number 20, no good. Number 13, oh. Okay, back to the morning. Remaining time last 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 85-45 in favor of SCM team. Inbound number 73, pass number 13, jump shot, no good. Very good. Rebound number 29. Pass number 24. Number 24, pinabala ang bola.
Ito pa lang masabi ko, nakalimutan ko yung hard drive sa bahay.
Foul, number 13. Number 13, Broadway. Second team foul. Number 29, Mahil. Dribble the ball.
Time out ah.
Number 24, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 06, pass break, pero still ni number 24 na bilang ng team, pass to number 11. Number 11, di ba na ang bola? Caballero. Pass to number 29, back to number 11. Jump shot, no good. We hold by number 11, pass break. To number 21, Iglesia. Binigay kay number 7, Aldo, no good. Iglesia again, no good. Still the number 11 for 2 points. Number 17 for 2 points. Oh, SCM team ball. Inbound number 02, pass number 11. Number 03, left with number 20. Number 03 again, spin it up, no good. Number 06, pass number 11. Only number 21 ang bola, Iglesia. Jump shot. Don't good. Rebound number 11, Binondo team. No good. There's spot. I'll go for 2 points.
Parang binatulang mo.
Number 20, pass number 11. Jump shot for 3 points. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Score 91-48. Paula Thiago for 2 points. Number 24, jump shot. No good. Pasa doon. Number 06, Fernandez, binigyan number 02 for 2 points. Aldo. Ayan po, number 11, jump shot. No good. Pass break ni number 11 is still by number 29. Pass break ni number 20 for 2 points. Pass break. Outside. Pass break again. Outside. In down. Number 11, take shot, jump shot, no good. Only number 03, pass number 06, Fernandez, follow up by number 44, Angel. Number 29, pass break to number 11. For 2 points, for 3 points. Last 1 minute and 36 seconds. Score 97-53 in favor of SCMD. Number 44, Ian Angeles for 2 points. Intel, number 89, pass number 34. Number 24, pinababa ng bola. No good. Number 11 ng SCM team, pinababa ng bola. Still for number 29, pass break. Pero still din ni number 06, Fernandez ng SCM team. Number 21, no good. Wala pa rin, number 21 at sinasakay number 44, follow up pa rin for 2 points. Number 41, Angel. That's 1 minute. For 3 points by number 11. That's 40 seconds. Outside. Outside the rain begins.
Asa ilalim ko kanito?
Okay, inbound, number 11, pass number 06. Last 30 seconds. Or 2 points. Number 24. Last 10 seconds.